Bengaluru is set to operationalize one of Asia's largest integrated water management command centers under the Cauvery Stage V project. The Bangalore Water Supply and Sewerage Board Chairman Ram Prasad Manohar reviewed the facility on April 27th and said it is ready for inauguration. Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar will soon dedicate it to the public. The center has been established at Shimsha Bhavan in Jayanagar with financial assistance from the Japan International Cooperation Agency. It is designed to manage the city's drinking water and sewerage systems in real time under a single platform. According to officials, the system will handle 775 MLD of water supply under Cauvery Stage V and cater to 110 villages while also monitoring Bengaluru's entire water and sewerage network. The platform uses AI-based technology to predict water demand, detect pipeline leakages instantly, and ensure efficient distribution. Water quality is continuously monitored and alerts are generated in case of contamination. All major water treatment plants at Tikehalli, Harahalli, and Tataguni, along with ground-level reservoirs, are integrated into the system. Sewage treatment plants are also connected to monitor treated water quality and biogas generation, ensuring compliance with environmental norms. Officials said the center will also serve as a foundation for developing a digital twin of the city's water network in the future. BWSSB stated that the project marks a significant step towards advanced technology-driven urban water management at a large scale.